अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर मुबशरा है। मैंने आपसे आपका मुआयना करना है, ठीक है। इस दौरान आपको कहीं भी दर्द हुई तो आपने बताइएगा, मैं वहीं पे रुक जाऊंगी, ठीक है। अभी फ़िलहाल कहीं दर्द तो नहीं हो रहा। So first of all, you will sanitize your hands, and after that, ask pillow from the examiner. And because this is the way that you will be able to examine the patient hands in a good manner. So first of all, put the pillow on the patient's lap and start inspecting. ऐसे अपनी उंगलियां खोल लें जितना खोल सकती हैं। Pinching, that whether you are able to pinch the skin or not. So here, as you are not able to pinch the skin, so check the extent, that at which level you are not able to pinch the skin. ये ऊपर कर लो. So here you are able to pinch. So the findings are distal to the elbow. Likewise compare it on the opposite side. Here there is an ulcer. Here there is calcinosis along with hypo and hyperpigmentation of the skin, like here, as well as there are digital ulcers over here, here. Any finding in the nail, since the nails are painted, so हाथ ऐसे करें. As you can see, sclerodactyly, but there is no evidence of palmar erythema, nail fold infarcts or digital gangrene. को इकट्ठा नहीं कर सकती, so there are fractural deformities. ठीक है, इस तरह करके दिखाई नहीं हो पाएगा, चले कोई बात नहीं. हाथ रखते इस तरह. उंगलियां सुन हुई तो बताना है.
لاسونه سن کیږي کنه داسې مړه کیږي نو ما وایه ها
So tinal sign is negative. Then you will look for any stigmata of corticosteroids or any immunosuppressant in the form of ecchymosis, purpura, thinning of the skin. After that, check the proximal myopathy. और मैं आपके बाजुओं पे जोर डालूंगी, मुझे नीचे नहीं करने देना. मैं यहाँ पे जोर डालूंगी, नीचे नहीं करने देना.
ډاکټر بس تاسو په لاسونه باندې زور دغه کوي کنه خو تاسو به خپل لاسونه ښکته نه کوئ تاسو به لکه به بره زور کوئ صحیح ده
तो आपको मेरी बाजुओं पे जोर लगाना है, नीचे नहीं करना है.
او د ډاکټر بس تاسو په لاس باندې زور کوي تاسو به ښکته نه کوئ ها تاسو به بره کوئ.
मैं आपकी बाजुओं पे जोर लगाऊंगी, आपको मुझे नीचे नहीं करने देना, ठीक है. जोर लगाए मेरे हाथों पे.
बरा जोर.
हाँ शाबाश, ठीक है, ठीक है. अब आराम से अपने हाथ रखते और फेस पे. Then on the face, first of all, what you will look for conjunctival pallor, since there is thickening of the skin, tightening of the skin on the face as well. मेरे हाथों की तरफ देखिए, हाथों की तरफ. In order to look for conjunctival pallor and jaundice. There is telangiectasia over the nose. Here. ठीक है. 3 उंगलियां इस तरह करके मुंह में डालने की कोशिश करें. शाबाश, ठीक है. You will also examine the feet for any skin tightening, thickening, as well as changes on the skin of the feet. Like here, there is skin ulcer present, but there is no evidence of calcinosis, nail fold infarct, or any other finding. There is also very important finding. In order to check for Raynaud's phenomena, you have to check the temperature, whether there is any temperature difference, in order to find the Raynaud's phenomena, which is very important finding of systemic sclerosis. Along with all this examination, you have to auscultate the chest for bibasal fine crepitations, as well as precordium for signs of pulmonary hypertension or any murmur. Also, you have to examine for oral ulcers, oral thrush, lymph nodes, pedal edema, as well as blood pressure.